Hi guys, good afternoon. So today I'll be doing the Laboratory 5, which is the production process. Okay, so first of all, let me explain what is a production process means. So production process, it is a process of combining tangible and intangible inputs to produce something. So let me just first explain what is tangible. So when we say tangible, it means something that we can touch. It's a physical thing. So that can be raw material, um, a parts or assembly part, while intangible, it means concept or ideas used to produce an item. It is an organized activity, must have an objective, transform input into output, not operate in isolation from different departments. So that is what production process means. So with this activity, I'm going to explain the different type of production, their characteristics, advantage, and the limitation. Okay? So I'll be starting with job shop production. So what is a job shop production? Simply, job shop production is a production of something that is only of one or few quantities of a product, designed and produced as per specification. So a customer can submit the request, give their specification for an item that they want to produce, and then the company will make those items as per the customer request. So one way to describe, or a good example of a job shop production is a customized cake. So sometimes we make or we buy a cake that is customized to what we want. Okay, so it's not numerous as a matter item. It's limited. Okay. So advantage of job shop is that it can be produced using general purpose machine. Operators will become more skilled after gaining learning opportunities. So because job shop production, it requires unique specification. So it gives operators of a machine to learn or master new skills. But the limitation of a job shop production is the cost. Of course, the cost is higher due to frequent setup changes. There's a high level of inventory resulting to high inventory costs. And of course, if there's a higher inventory cost, sometimes it requires larger space requirement. Also, the product planning is quite complicated due to the uniqueness of the product. So those are the advantage, characteristics, and the limitations of a job shop production. So the next one that I'm going to discuss is the batch production. It is a form of manufacturing in which job passes through functional department in lots or batches, and each has a different routing. So unlike job shop production, batch production, it has a shorter production run. Plant and machinery are more flexible. Manufacturing lead time and costs are lower. Job satisfaction exists for operators. Lower investment in plant and machinery, and the cost per unit of production is actually lower. So those are the advantages. I'm going to explain to you the limitations of a job shop production. Higher setup costs due to frequent changes in setup production planning and control is complex. Higher setup costs due to frequent changes in setup. So the third kind of production is the mass production. This one, it manufactures discrete parts or assembly using continuous process, justified by large volume of production. Machines are arranged in a line of product layout. Product and process standardization exists, and all outputs follow the same path. The advantage of mass production is that this has a high rate of production with reduced cycle time. Less skilled operators are required, low process inventory, manufacturing cost per unit is low. However, the limitations are the breakdown of one machine will stop an entire production line. Also, high investment in production facilities. Cycle is determined by slowest operation. So the last one will be the continuous production. When facilities are arranged as per the sequence of production operations, from first operation to finished product. Advantage of continuous production is that manpower is not per material handling, or it doesn't require manpower is not needed for material handling because it is completely automated. The only limitation is that flexibility is to accommodate and process number of product does not exist. Okay, so thank you guys, and this is the lab 5, and I'm going to submit it now. Okay, thank you.